So now I'm going to go and show you the 3 different ways for you to go ahead and create an Etsy free ship coupon. Let's go ahead and start with method number 1. The great thing about having free shipping is that when somebody views the item on Etsy, let's view the item on Etsy, they will be able to tell the item is actually free shipping. So this specific item, it says free shipping to United States, and when somebody sees that it does say free shipping, you will be able to sell it much better because the items that don't have free shipping are not featured as much on Etsy. To top it off, every single item that is not free shipping gets an additional tax for every product that is actually sold. So it's not really beneficial for you to have an item with an additional shipping to it. Instead, build your free shipping right into the price of the item itself. So let's go ahead and edit this product and make it free shipping. Since it's already free shipping in it, I just want to show you how it is actually being done. So you just know, just in case you want to do this yourself. So as you keep on going through the entire listing, you want to go all the way to the bottom where it says shipping. In the shipping part, you can actually go ahead and change the way the shipping options are actually made. So I have a bunch of different variety of free shipping options, and I can pick different ones and process them and move them across every single item that I sell in my actual store. So one thing that I did in the shipping section, I put different kind of options over here for anybody who's going to buy my products. So I have free shipping option, have a different kind of option right here, and there is different choices for different kind of products, one of which even has a handling fee built right into it. So what you can do is either create a custom shipping that I have right here, or you can go ahead and create your own, which is Intel custom shipping options. And when you go through it, I would be putting fixed cost manually. When you do fixed cost manually, you press on here the processing time, which is going to be 1 business day, and then it's going to be the following. So for United States, the fixed shipping is United States PS, and here I have to select which kind of shipping people actually get, and then what I would charge is either a fixed cost per product, or of course I can charge them nothing. Anywhere else outside of my destination, the product is going to cost me so much more to deliver. Therefore, I have to go ahead and put fixed shipping cost at $16.98. And then of course, I can give them a shipping upgrade as well. So every single time they want to upgrade to a different kind of a shipping, here's how much it's going to cost them if they want to upgrade to a priority mail shipping for them. So because of that, because it's priority mail, the price is going to be much more steeper for them to get the product. The item weight is also different as well. So you can post the item weight for you, and it's going to calculate how much it's going to cost to ship it for different kind of destinations, and with the upgrades, it's going to build in right into the price as well. So those are the ways that you are going to add the free shipping to your listing. And of course, you have here the option of creating your own shipping options as well. And then after that, before you press on publish, press on preview and make sure everything here looks exactly how you want it to look. And then when you're done, all you have to do is to go and scroll all the way to the bottom. You're going to be pressing on publish, and then you're done. A second method that you can use, go to Shop Manager. In the Shop Manager, I'm going to go ahead and promote the next step, which is the second way to promote a free shop coupon. Over here, we go all the way where it says marketing, press on it once, then press on sales and coupons. Inside the sales and coupons, we are going to go ahead and press on new special offer. Over here, we're going to go and press on run a sale. And over here, we have an option where we are going to be pressing on free standard shipping. And make sure it is domestic only, because then I have to pay extra amount to ship this product overseas. Then we have a few different choices over here. None is going to give everyone free shipping. Quantity is going to be specific. Total order is how much they have to pay in order for them to qualify for free shipping. This actually is the best choice for us. Then what I'm going to be doing next is doing a duration. The sale actually starts today and ends anytime that we actually want. But the way that I want to go ahead and get extra sales is to make it an urgency, which actually means that this sale is going to end this Friday. In fact, we have to state and let people know exactly when this sale is going to end. So what I'm doing is making this even more creative, and more likely somebody is going to go ahead and decide that they want to grab this sale. Next thing I'm going to be doing is naming this specific sale, which is going to be free ship 19. This is not going to show up, but of course, if you're going to be naming this specific sale, you want to make sure that this campaign is actually going to work. And because of that, you have to go ahead and put some details and be creative with the name itself. Now, your clients are not going to see this name, but you have to remember this yourself. So make sure you put something in there that's going to make sense. Free ship is going to be the kind of sale that I have. 19 actually talks about the name of the year. Now you can do the name of the month as well. It's up to you to decide what kind of name you want to name your sale. Then you're going to be pressing on review and confirm. And if you like everything you see, press on confirm and create a discount. After you do this, make sure you share this on social media. And you can share this in 3 different places: Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. Let's show on Facebook. So on Facebook itself, I'm going to let everyone know that my shop is having a mega sale. And then I'm going to make sure it's also featured in my story as well. Newsfeed and my story, and press post to Facebook so everyone knows that I have a sale going on right now. And now I'm actually done with method number 2. Method number 3 is going to be the following. Press on new special offer, and after you press on new special offer, press on create a coupon. Over here, everyone is going to get free standard shipping, and this specific coupon is also going to be emailed to every single person who buys anything in my shop as well. And to do that, you have to check this check mark right here. This sale actually starts today, has no end date, and also I have to have a free coupon code for it. Free ship 19, and then add something to this, which is going to be VIP pass for people who want to get it. Now, this specific coupon is only going to be given away to my fans who get my business card, which I'm going to be using this code, but this code is not going to be featured in the actual shop. This is a code that is just a code itself that is available to people who want to grab this sale. And this is definitely the third method that you can give free shipping to all your fans. Press on review and continue, and now press on confirm and create a discount after everything that you see looked great. And now, of course, after you do this, let's tweet this out to all my fans to make sure that they know about this discount that I'm offering. Press on log and tweet, and now we are done. And this sums up the 3 different methods that you can use to offer free shipping on Etsy. Thank you so much for watching, and now your journey has just started. In fact, I have even better deal for you. For $10 you can get access to my latest and brand new 2017 Etsy course. This class has been redesigned from scratch to teach you how to make exclusive and unbelievable amount of money selling things on Etsy. You don't believe me how much you can make on Etsy? Watch the actual earning proof of this class itself and you'll actually be sold. So what are you waiting for? Every second you waste, you are not getting in this course that's going to teach you step by step of the way how to enhance and get the best possible experience for you and get the most possible money selling things that you make yourself on Etsy. Are you ready yet? Are you psyched? Are you challenged yet to make an unbelievable amount of money on Etsy? If so, make sure you enroll in my class today. See you on the inside. To top it off, if you're not happy for any reason, you get 30-day money-back guarantee. Therefore, it is a win-win situation for you. You You have nothing to lose but gain everything by getting in this course today. See you on the inside.